Well, hello again. Welcome to my channel. My name's Leanne Lacroix. I am just finishing up my snowman. Usually it's a gingerbread spice cake that I use. This year I decided to go with a banana bread. I thought it was just a little bit more sturdy. People could have it for breakfast if they wanted or whenever. When is there a reason to have cake? There's never a reason. You don't have to have a reason to have cake. You just have cake. And so I have I believe at this point showed you where I left off because I forgot to start filming with the part where I was mixing it and putting it into the molds. But then I caught you up when they were out, and then I've chilled them, I've iced them. They've been wrapped up, held together, put in the garage, in the fridge. They've been everywhere. And I've taken them out. I'm about to decorate them, and that's where I'm going to bring you in again. So hopefully this inspires you. It's a really fun cake mold. I love it because you can just use it any time of year. It's just not a Christmas thing, but it is really fun to give at Christmas. It's a unique gift to give at Christmas. Yes, people give baked goods all the time, and they are amazing to get, especially if you don't bake. But even if you do bake, because usually it's something different. Everybody has their traditional bake, their traditional cookie, their traditional something at Christmas. So that's usually what you get from somebody, which is really nice because it's usually something that you don't make, is my point. So that trade-off is really great. It's like when I went to the cookie exchange, you just get really fun cookies and different treats and different squares, things that you may never make. So if you're ever invited to a cookie exchange, you have to go. Even if you just bring 1 dozen, just go, because it will open your eyes to what's out there and how many people still bake and carry on traditions and share them with you. So that is so much fun. This is just a fun, unique gift, and it's different. You can give it all throughout the season. You can give it as a hostess gift. You can give it a Christmas gift. You can give it as a part of something that you bring when someone is doing a potluck or someone asks you to bring something. It's very much appreciated. It's a centerpiece. I've had this for years. I always have it sort of at a Christmas table. So you could have it at a breakfast table because you could do a spice cake, banana bread like I did this year. Or it can just be on your counter with all kinds of goodies around it because you could have it on a cake plate. That's usually how I give it. I give it on a cake stand, and then you have all the little goodies around it at the bottom. And it's always just oh my God, that's so cute piece. But you can, again, if you're a decorator, a cake decorator, and you love all those embellishments, you can do as you wish with this. I tend to just put the powdered sugar, and then sometimes I'll put marzipan as a nose, or I'll put some holly. But, you go crazy. You do you. You do the decorator in you. You decorate that snowman. And then sometimes what I do is I make just these snowball cookies, and then I put them all around the bottom when I give it as a gift. That's something really, sweet too, because then they have the snowman, and then they have the cookies around the bottom, and that can just get, more out of the gift. So I hope I've given you enough ideas with this snowman and how many ways that you can give it and use it. I will try to find something like it, and I'll have it in the link below. But I encourage you to have one of these in your house because around the holidays, it is a really fun, like I said, really fun gift to give, and everyone appreciates it. So have fun and be kind to yourself. It's a crazy time of year, and the expectations do not have to be here. Here. They can be here just from your heart. Just give what you can, do what you can, love as much as you can, be as kind as you can. That is the real gift. Really, the real gift is just your time, your patience, and your kindness. Merry Christmas.